Hello and what is going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? My name is Miguel EDC and today we're doing an unboxing of this knife that just came in. That's right, you're seeing that big gorilla right there. It says FerraMonster. If you know what's up, you know what's up. This one should be an epic one. So go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and let's get in here. I'll have this knife and every other knife you see in this video linked down below if you want to check out prices, availability, and variants. I do have a 10% discount with FerraMonster, so definitely check them out through the links below. We have the Glideman. That's right. If you want to glide like a man, you need this knife, the Glideman. Anyways, lame jokes aside, we got the read before opening the knife. Oh, watch me open the knife without reading that. Anyways, your warranty instructions, specifications, we'll keep those handy somewhere. And let's go ahead and get in here, right? Got zipper pouch on there, boom. And if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Boom. Here is the knife. I'm excited to look at that. We got a plastic wrap there, and I'm assuming that's where it came in. By the way, this is a pass around knife. Shout out to Lefty EDC for the opportunity to check this one out. Wiping cloth, branded with their logo, all that good stuff. But let's check out the knife. First impressions, we have a beautiful and elegant bee-blasted titanium handle. Nice and contour on the edges. It is plain, no milling or anything like that. We just looked at the Aurora race. And it's funny to say that 10 times fast. Aurora race, Aurora race, Aurora race. Well, you get the idea. The Aurora race model actually has some beautiful milling going on throughout the handle on the titanium. So that one's pretty epic. I think they went for a more elegant, streamlined design on this one, which I don't mind, honestly. We got a flipper tab with good jimping, a back spacer here, which is also your linear solution. Blade sticks out from the handle a little bit there. That's okay. Opening hole, you know that's what's up. All right, here we go. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Bam! All right, look at this geometry here, guys. Give her a nice little wipe. M390 blade, by the way. Right, got a nice, beautiful satin finish going on there. That's looking pretty epic, pretty sexy, if you know what I mean. M390 steel. Again, do we have any details on HRC? No, we don't. I'm just going to give you the specs here so we can get this off camera. Overall, length 7.2 inches. Blade length is 3.05. M390. Titanium on the clip, handle, and screws. The Glideman. So how about you glide over to that like button and smash it for me. Help your boy here become YouTube famous. Anyways, all lame jokes aside, guys, let's, ooh, that thing deploys with an attitude, man. That is, ooh, gotta love that. That feels really, really nice. Bam, just what the doctor ordered right there. It's got some acoustics to it. A little bit of a drop shot action. Gotta love that. D10 sound on the close. That's a wall tune D10 right there, if you ask me. Gotta love that. Flipper here, though, coming back to it. Yeah, you can push button it. You can light switch it. Can you feel it? Yes. If you're lame and don't put any effort, I guess you could feel it. But yeah, reverse flick is where it's at. And then let's check out the thumb deployment. Oh, that feels pretty solid too. Because you got this cutout here on the handle. Gives you good access to the hole, if you know what I mean. And bam, drop shot action. Beautiful. Smack in the middle alignment. Stress relief cutout on the outside. It is a frame lock, of course. And we do have a steel insert for steel on steel contact. Check out the engagement there. I would say that is about perhaps maybe like barely 15-20%. So you got a long way to go, right, with this bad boy. Let me see. Good engagement there, rock solid. No side to side, no up and down, no movement of any kind. And you do have good access to that lock bar. All right, check it out. This side is just slightly shorter than the other side, so you can access the lock bar and push very effortlessly. That feels nice. Yeah, looking pretty good. Let's check the ergos, right? So we got a situation here. We can either forward choke, but let's check the standard grip right behind the flipper. That feels nice. I'm able to get a full purchase, right? Average size hands, not the biggest, not the smallest. And we're making it happen here, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. And of course, you know I'm going to forward choke on this bad boy because that's what it's designed for. Right, got that beautiful finger choil, by the way. Great plunge grind situation. You'll be able to sharpen this knife so many times without developing a smile. That's going to be great. Again, we got some jimping back here for the standard hammer grip. And then if you forward choke, this little bent section, right, that's perfect for your thumb. Check that out. All right, that's awesome. Gotta love that. And of course, with the tip nice and low, right, this is kind of like a, what are we calling this? Sheep's foot blade. Right, are we rolling with that? Right, reverse tanto, something. Warncliffe, let's go with sheep's foot, right? Beautiful switch there in the front, by the way. So yeah, that feels good. Utility cuts and draw cuts with this tip are going to be amazing, right? For EDC tasks like that. Pinch grip, opening up boxes and packages, almost some boxes, what have you. That's going to feel pretty good. I mean, compared to the Aurora race, even though, again, that one is so elegant, I can see this one being amazing for EDC, right? Love me the sheep's foot you know, one cliff geometry the most. That is my favorite all day, every day. I'm loving the ting on the open. I'm like, boom, that is one snappy open right there. And it actually sounds a little bit different depending on which method you use, with that reverse flick being the most aggressive one. So great action, right? Great ergos. Pocket clip is not reversible, by the way. So keep that in mind for my lefties out there. It is also not the deepest carry. I can see it topping out about right there. So it gives you something to pinch and grip out of the pocket there. But one thing it does have going for it, it is very, very comfortable. I almost forgot to talk about the pocket clip because I was over here squeezing hard, getting a good grip, and like, where's the pocket clip? Oh, I guess it's still there. It is actually that comfortable. I'm not even exaggerating. That's pretty good. I'll give it a good 9.5, 9.8 out of 10 right there. So let's do some size comparisons on this bad boy, give you a ballpark where this guy lands. Let's do the typical ones here in the channel. There's the Microtech Bros. You got the MSI there and the Stitch. Obviously, these are gonna look pretty epic size-wise next to the Glideman. So why don't we glide over to the Spyderco PM2 there, which is gonna be a little bit bigger, and the Para 3 is the most comparable one, but still a little bit larger there than the FerraMonster Glideman. And I promise you, I'm done with the lame pun jokes and corny jokes. Here's the Demko AD 20.5. It's a little bit larger. The Nano Shark, it's a little bit shorter. So definitely a lot closer to the AD 20.5 right there, as you can see. Here's the Tenable Fenrir and the CJRB Pyrite Light. Both absolutely bangers of budget EDC knives, so check them out. And again, I'll have all these linked down below, so hopefully you own some of those. If you don't, check out those links. Everything will be linked below, and I have content on everything, so if you want to check any insight or any of these knives, just put the knife name Miguel EDC on the YouTube search box. You'll find that video right away. That is the Vosteed Corgi, and this is the Fintiso Parrot, right? Absolutely very recommendable. Yeah, the Glideman is just a hair shorter, actually very comparable to the Corgi, if anything. But I'm really digging the size. You know, I'm the type of person who enjoys a larger knife as well as a smaller knife, just the same way. I don't discriminate, so yeah, it's already feeling like hand melting right here. It's got an awkward shape. I mean, if you think about it, like most people look at knives a certain way, be like, really, that's a knife? It's so interesting. So, because most people think of knives like drop point blades, right? That's the generic individual, the average individual's idea of a knife. But you know, the knife people know what a good EDC knife looks like, and this thing is already melting in my hand. That is definitely my first impression. All right, let's go all Bill Nye the Science Guy here on this thing. And let's get scientific with it. I got a piece of paper, right? We're going to do some cuts with this M390. This is not brand new out of the box or anything. It has already seen some use, so do keep that in mind. Oh, okay. All right, right away getting some swirls and stuff. Yeah, it's going to go through that paper beautifully. All right, let's get some full slices. Well, bam. Boom. Yeah. It's not even sweating it. Nope, not at all. Laser beam all the way through. Yep, even after, again, seeing plenty of use, I think I'm checking out this knife at the back end of the lefty EDC knife pass around. I'm sure the other folks have tested it out and used it and cut with it, and it feels like I just, feels like a brand new edge. That's how fresh this thing is. Let's cut some cardboard right here, single wall cardboard. Remember when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular but at an angle. And here we go. Oh yes. All right, let's go. Boom, bam. I mean, come on now. That was pretty effortless. I mean, not even sweating. That was awesome. So honestly, it's so good too. Like I could see myself, especially with this curvature right here. Boom, putting my thumb there. See myself getting some cardboard destroyed, absolutely destroyed with this thing on trash day. It is an absolute slicer with that flat grind. You guys let me know. Rate this thing in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10. How sharp is this guy? How much of an edge has it retained? You'll let me know. Well, there you have it, guys. That is a quick overview, first impressions, reactions on the Glideman from FerraMonster. And FerraMonster is a recent company that just released 3 knives: the Aurora Race, the Urban Grip, and the Glideman. So far checked out the Aurora Race. Check out the video on the channel if you haven't already. I'm checking out the Glideman, and rumor has it I have the Urban Grip here, so definitely subscribe if you haven't already. that's going to be a upload coming up here on the channel very soon. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Helps your boy out here make more content like this. Hopefully I can go full time. Is 2025 the year that Miguel EDC will go full time, or is it not? I don't know. Been doing this thing for about 2.5 years or so, and I'm loving it, really having a ton of fun. You guys have shown me great support, and I can't thank you all enough for that. Shout out to Lefty EDC and FerraMonster for the opportunity to check this one out. Shout out to my Patreon supporters for supporting what I do here. You guys are awesome. Check out that video to the Aurora race over there to your left, and check out this other awesome video YouTube recommends to the right. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me until the end. You are awesome. Again, all these knives are linked down below in the description and pinned comments if you want to check them out. Take care, guys. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, let's hang out on this video or this video. I'll see you over there. Peace.